Come fast, I'm going to sing a song for you. Come fast. This is the boy, this is the girl.
गजाननं भूतगणादिसेवितं कपिध्वजं भूगसारभक्षणं
తను సెలెక్ట్ చేసుకున్న దాంట్లో తనకి ఇష్టమైన విధంగా ఉండేవాడుగా సెలెక్ట్ చేసుకుంది. కిషోర్ కూడా చాలా మంచి అబ్బాయి. వాళ్ళిద్దరూ లైఫ్లో బాగా సుఖశాంతులతో ఉండాలని నా ఆశీస్సులు ఎప్పుడు వాళ్ళకి ఉంటాయని.
So she had a special bond with her grandfather. She being the first grandchild, she was a favorite child for him, and he had been waiting for her wedding, and unfortunately he had died with COVID last year.
జననీ శివకామిని అమ్మల కన్నా నీవే అఖిల జనాలకు అమ్మ నీవే నీ చరణములే నమ్మితి మమ్మ జయము నీయవే అమ్మా భవానీ జననీ శివకామిని
करने वाले कम ना होंगे
the most important thing is love. And I see that Reshma and Kishore have that for each other, and they're going to make amazing companions for each other. And I'm really excited to be a part of their journey together.
तेरी महफिल में लेकिन हम ना होंगे।
You know, I just feel that he's the right man, and that's when I think she gave him a chance and she met him, and I think they instantly just fell in love, and yeah, that's how it happened. And I'm so glad that Kishore is now my brother-in-law. I see an elder brother in him. I'm so glad it happened.
No words. Amazing, amazing.
सुन रे पुरवाई कहो देश तुझा बारे नैना पीको देखन जी जाए जी जाए।
Well, Kishore, you better take care of this beautiful, super intelligent girl. She deserves it. I mean, she is really strong from the outside, but she is soft as a petal from the inside, and just take super care of her.
Right now, as a bride, I feel very excited, happy, pretty. All that which I had gone through, all the hustle bustle of the marriage and everything, all that doesn't affect me anymore now at this moment. I'm very excited. వేణుగానలోన వేగమునరారా నిలిచెను ఈ రాధని కోసమే వెన్న దొంగరారా ఆలసించవేళ పలికెను నోరారని నామమే ఉన్న చెట్టు నీడలోన చిన్ని రాధ వేచి ఉంది చిన్ని రాధ గుండెలోన చిన్ని ఆశ దాగి ఉంది చిన్ని ఆశ దాగి ఉంది.
Excited to see Kishore?
Yeah, excited to see Kishore. I am. Is he excited to see me?
అండి అంతా వాళ్ళిద్దరు కూడా మైండ్ మ్యాచ్యూరిటీ ఉన్నోళ్ళు
ఒకరు అర్థం చేసుకొని మంచిగా ఉంటారని
ఉండాలని కూడా మేము మా బాబుని చెప్తున్నాం. సంసారం అనేది చాలా విలువైన అసెట్ కాబట్టి అందులో లోటుపాట్లు ఉన్నాయి. చదువుకుని వాళ్ళిద్దరు మంచిగా ఉంటే ఇంకంతకంటే ఏం అవసరం లేదు.
వాళ్ళు చాలా మంచిగా ఉంటుంది. మాకు నమ్మకం. మా బాగా తప్ప కంపల్సరీ ఓకే అంటాడు ఏది చెప్పినా.
She will not allow anybody to speak against her family. So that integrity, the dedication, that love for the family is there in her. She is an extraordinary girl.
So, look at how much he loves Reshma. He was never a dog lover, and he made sure that the farm that he has is fenced, and he's putting all dog kennels just to house all the dogs. And I'm sure he's not going to let any of the puppies go. Okay, and don't trouble Kishore too much, okay? Like,
That boy,
we have
you,
to.
you got a good one, Resh.
Yeah,
you know what?
I know.
During cocktails, I said the other way around, but that boy,
Oh yeah.
he's a keeper. He knows the saris and stuff, huh? He's a keeper.
Dude.
Together, if you want to say congratulations.
Congratulations. Mwah, 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 mwah.